In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display gaps in a Power BI line chart when data for certain dates is missing. This is a handy technique to ensure your visualizations accurately reflect your dataset, highlighting any missing periods. Let's dive into the process step by step. First up is Method 1, using a continuous axis with a date table. The initial step involves creating a date table. A date table contains all the dates within the range you desire for your report, ensuring that every single day, regardless of whether there's data associated with it or not, is accounted for in your visualization. To generate this table, you can utilize data analysis expressions, commonly referred to as DAX. Simply execute the following formula. Date table equals calendar, open parenthesis, MIN of your data date column, comma, max of your data date column, and then close parenthesis. This DAX expression will create a date table spanning from the earliest to the latest date in your dataset. Next, you'll need to mark this new table as your date table. To do this, head over to the Modeling tab. From there, select the option Mark as Date Table and choose the date column within this table. Doing so helps Power BI understand that this table should be treated specifically as date data, which is crucial for ensuring that your dates are interpreted correctly by your visuals. After establishing your date table, you must ensure that there is a relationship in place between this date table and your main data table. This relationship should be configured using the date columns in both tables. Creating this connection is vital as it allows Power BI to match and align dates from your date table with the corresponding data from your other table. The next step involves adjusting your line chart's axis settings. Set the x-axis to continuous. This setting will display a seamless timeline on your chart, including dates that might not have any accompanying data points. Ensuring this continuity is essential for visually reflecting the full date range and recognizing where gaps occur. Finally, to make sure your chart clearly shows those gaps, you need to enable the option Show Items with No Data within the Visualizations pane. Under the x-axis settings, check this feature to fill in those missing dates with visible gaps. If you prefer an alternative to Method 1, you can try Method 2. Using a categorical axis. This method offers a slightly different approach. Begin by setting the x-axis on your line chart to categorical. With this setup, each date is treated as a discrete category, rather than being part of a continuous range. Once again, navigate to the Visualizations pane. Under the x-axis settings, enable Show Items with No Data. Even though you've set the axis to categorical, this step functions similarly by allowing your chart to reveal all categories, even those for which data is missing. By following these steps, you will successfully display gaps for missing dates in your Power BI line chart, providing a comprehensive view of your data over time.